We are Semicons and yours welcome in the world of Semicons Global, a global semiconductor educational and consultancy platform. Let's understand more about us. In Semicons, transforming sand into silicon. Knowledge turned into leadership. In present time, entire world dependent on chips, starting from day to night. Mobile to car, plane to washing machines. Everything's depend on semiconductor smart chips. However, the creation of each semiconductor requires a highly intricate manufacturing ecosystem. But let's understand a global challenge. The semiconductor sector requires accuracy, talent, and exceptional engineering, for which there is a significant global shortage of skilled semiconductor experts, as like ours 1500 bar doesn't numbers of engineers, project managers. Just because of this, the hunt for skilled talent is pressing. The industry demands strong leadership. This begins our mission. Introducing Semicons, a worldwide semiconductor talent pool development dedicated to delivering comprehensive semiconductor manufacturing services. We function throughout the entire semiconductor value chain, from sand to silicon, from wafers to final products, from packaging to items ready for shipment. Semicons Global is not merely an educational endeavor. It acts as a complete semiconductor ecosystem architect. What we offer: end-to-end training and certification programs in 7 bulk modules and 1500 industry-relevant topics, including like quartz, extraction and silicon refinement, designing polysilicon production facilities, wafer production capabilities ranging from 100 mm to 300 mm, comprehensive fab infrastructure, clean room configurations, HVAC specifications, ultra-pure water treatment facilities, protocols for gas and chemical distribution, high-voltage system designs, front-end production methodologies, photolithography techniques, CVD methodologies, PVD strategies, etching processes, final inspections. We address not only processes, but also costs, cycle times, utilities. The equipment utilized involved vendors, strategic planning, and future directions. Semicons Global benefits. This covers the entire semiconductor landscape and provide a training and certification program for engineering students all from degree or diploma in following all branches: electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science, IT, chemical, civil, from any academic discipline. Certification program for professionals entering the semiconductor industry. Certification program for fab design engineers developing advanced facilities. Certification program for utility professionals managing clean room, gas, electrical and water systems. For project managers coordinating new semiconductor fabs. And for those dedicated to building a leading semiconductor industry. This need to note: as per recent semiconductor development, India requires 1.5 million engineering professionals for upcoming semiconductor manufacturing facilities. As per recent global data, total workforce of 3 million is necessary globally for smart semiconductor chips and AI engineering, valued at $1 trillion by 2026. Are you prepared for this global revolution? In India, Taiwan, China, the US and elsewhere, a semiconductor revolution is underway. Remember, in this current era of innovation, smart semiconductors are the heart and AI is the brain. Every engineer must be ready for both to secure their future. Training, certification programs. Semicons Global offers organized training and development programs focused on cultivating globally competitive semiconductor talent. Our certification program pathways include foundation level, advanced technical level, expert level, leadership. Strategy level, we convert theoretical knowledge into work-ready industry skills. We transform learning efforts into career retention. We build confidence for practical semiconductor tasks. Now, let's understand second phase of Semicon, which is consulting and industry services. Beyond education, Semicons Global provides strategic consulting for international semiconductor projects. Greenfield fab planning, brownfield updates, facility enhancements, utility system designs, yield optimization strategies, digital fab innovations. From concept to execution, from scaling to peak efficiency, we collaborate with institutions, industries, and governments to develop sustainable semiconductor ecosystems. A digital and an AI-driven future. The future of semiconductor manufacturing is digital. Smart fabrication facilities, AI-driven yield enhancements, predictive maintenance solutions, digital twin integration. Embracing Industry 4.0, Semicons Global merges AI-focused education with practical semiconductor workflows. We prepare professionals not just for today's fabs, but for the intelligent manufacturing environments of tomorrow. Our global objective, our mission is straightforward: to empower nations, to enhance industries, to nurture top-tier semiconductor specialists, to close the global skills gap, to strengthen semiconductor ecosystems, to transform knowledge into leadership. Because semiconductors are more than components. They are the backbone of contemporary life. Final call to action: from sand to silicon, from knowledge to leadership. Subscribe, learn, build, lead. Join us in shaping the future of semiconductor excellence.